check this. When the car gets activated, so if it doesn't have a container, and if the car trigger is none, it will help, otherwise not to last. Remove and to keep. Here I'm taking indicators. This is not the problem. The problem is that so it activates, set to false, comes here, so duration, so all of them have the same duration, right? Yes. After the duration, you set the cooldown, and in the cooldown, you set the cooldown here. So after the cooldown and the duration, part, and you set the cartoon name. Pause. Yes, okay. So immediately after the cooldown duration ends, after the duration ends, I run the queue again. This one, run queue. And I get to pick. If it's enabled, run it. So this was set to null. When the duration ended, cache card. How do I update this? Okay, cache is the first one. Wait, oh, wait a second. I'm telling you. Activation, duration, okay. So I set the cooldown immediately when this ends. Here, get card enabled. parent entity being game object. We have parent here. Parent entity being so. Cache active cards. Cache active cards. Object. Let's do a title, right? Instead of name. Forgot to show you what I was doing, sorry. 6 combos. So here I was. Cache active card. Let's do type. Let's do this. Let's do game object. Let's do this. Duration sequence. Let's change this. Sequence start. Let's try again. sorry, village, punch attack. Let's go with two of these guys. They're both enabled. So they look fine. The problem is when I add 3. Okay, the 3 got activated. Okay, yeah, perfect. Wait a second. Not perfect. This one didn't get the... It wasn't enabled. This one. So you start with this one. Let's go card duration. No. There, that one. Okay, so this one is false on start. Okay, so this starts. Activation duration should be 0.5. So this starts. this should happen after 0.5. This already started. One start. Card duration sequence. This one, punch attack. There. Card title. So card duration sequence. Let me go card duration. Enable true. So it's enabled? No. Run. There. This one. Enable true. This one is enabled true. Okay. Punch attack. Okay, this one. One cached. So there is a card there. Card duration sequence. Okay, so then after that one, it goes to this one. So it's activated, but punch card. Cooldown more than 0. Set cooldown here. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. Third card. Cooldown. go. Village. Punch attack, punch attack, and punch attack. There, one guy. So my theory is that it gets activated, but the cooldown doesn't activate. Only gets activated. The one in the middle. Always the one in the middle. Also. I need to fix that for today. That's my objective. There we go. So that's... It did, right? It did activate. Okay, let's see. The second one. This one. So there. I don't see anything about a cooldown. There. Card duration sequence, punch, set cooldown. See? There is a cooldown there. After this one, a cooldown starts. Okay, so there. This guy. Do I see a cooldown? Nope, no cooldown. So for some weird reason, there is no cooldown activated. There, even for this one, see? Even for that one, there is a cooldown. But this is the enemy, but this is the cooldown for this card. Activate first, enabled, enemy, cooldown, I mean this. That one. So when this activates, then I should get the card duration sequence. Oops. Card duration sequence start. Okay, so the card duration sequence start is that one. Then you should get the card duration sequence cache. But I see nothing of that. Card duration sequence, cached activated cards. Trigger cards, queues, card duration sequence. Okay, so after this one, so I should have seen run, right? Run Q, this guy. Start. When this starts, okay, so it's here. And after a few milliseconds I should be able to see this one, card duration sequence. This one. Activate first card. If I see this one, where does this come from? So this comes from activation queue. Queue cards. Oh. This comes from another place. So this comes when it enters the combat zone, right? Enters the combat zone and the card is not enabled, it skips the card. But when a cooldown ends, it should run this again. Run Q. Card. So if I enter here, it means it was awake. start. Cached active card. So this is this one. So after a while I should be able to see this one, or rather this one, on start. Card duration sequence start. And then this. So it's start there. That it starts. And then you should be able to see this one. Card duration sequence. Cache activated card. Yes, because this one is started already. So I should be able to see card duration sequence, cache active card. The problem is that happens after a while. This one should, so this one should be of that one, but it's not. It's not. It's of this one. So for some reason, that means it gets interrupted. Look, twice. Isn't that crazy? Maybe the cache card gets... Maybe the problem is the cache card. That's the problem, you know? Because when this runs, it reads the cache card, obviously. So I'm gonna grab this. I'm going to do a new callback on duration. Let's get this private card duration ended. The card duration. No, actually, yes. Right? Yes. So let's just get this. Paste that. I'm gonna grab the duration. Duration and there I'm gonna do this, and I'm going to do cache card. Should I do this? I get a cash card. So let's do it like that. Card. Free. Card. Card. Activate this card. So let's get this there. Okay, so I'm getting a local variable. Activated. Okay, maybe that will fix the problem. Let's go again. Should I recompile? So that seems to fix it. Yes. Fixed. So I think the problem was that the cash card was getting replaced. So this replaced the cash card, this replaced the cash card, and this replaced the cash card when it got activated. That's why when the twin finished loading, or when the activation twin finished, this was reading this cash card. That was the problem. There we go. Perfect. Nice. So when should the okay, the thing that gets replaced immediately when a card gets activated, active game card. So let's get this. Modify health, effect component, combo component, so sword, punch attack. So I don't want random cards. I want a village, a punch card, a potion, a combo component, and the more has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's try it. The cache active card is get replaced quickly. Use Two cards to the left or two cards to the right? Two cards to the left. Oh, I have no effects. Does it really matter? No. No, it doesn't. There we go. So, two to the left. There we go. So, there. So it's still a bit weird, isn't it? It's still a bit weird. Okay. So this activates immediately. It's okay. Immediately, what the heck? the combo activates. Activate combo. Activate this one. So up to first place, right? Okay, what happens if execute contains put returns? So this inserts 0. Okay. Up to first place added. Should say title, not name. Title. Card bot. Update indicators. Right. So the card is activated, added to the queue, and then when I say run queue, checks if it's enabled. Activates the first card. Activates the first card. Wait. So what this does is remove it from the queue. So when it gets activated, it's removed. That's the thing. If it gets activated, it's removed. But then I can activate it again with the combo. And if it gets in the first place, it should run. Activate the first card. Okay, so the thing I should check is what happens when it should activate. Does it activate? If it's in the queue, it should activate. Image. Let's add a punch attack. Let's add one of these guys. Well, let's remove this to make things easier. So sleep, shift, sleep. Oops, I have nothing to create. So let's just there. Control K, effects. Control K, Control C. Ctrl C, Ctrl K, Ctrl C, Ctrl K. Oh. Okay, Ctrl C. Okay, Ctrl C, Ctrl C. Then Ctrl C. Oh, that's weird. Ctrl K, Ctrl E. Okay, what else can I do? Okay, I'm gonna try to fix the cube. I mean the combo. Enemy health, self-health, nothing. There. So let's see what happens. Okay, so this added this and it got immediately activated. This, right? So this gets the card added to the queue. There it is, right? Yes. And then, oops, what happened? So, if the cooldown ended, down, why it's not enabled? So this should have put this to enable and it didn't. Oh, now it did. Now it did. Excuse me. Enable, false. Run cube. Potion. Finished. So this should have set this to enable. Oh, but it is enabled. This isn't enabled. What the heck? Pick. What? Oh, wait a minute. For some reason this is the cube. Cooldown finished. Oh, so it enters here. If no conditional flags met, remove from queue. That's why. Conditional flags met are present. There are activation conditions configured on the card. If not, remove it from queue. If the item card is empty with activation conditions, it is activated when the starting combo card activates the combo. Not your cards or items, since enemies can equip other types of cards. equipable into equipable cards are items. So of course this doesn't have a condition flags. Check if activation conditions are present or if there are activation conditions configured on the card. If not, remove. Really, I don't want that. I don't want to remove it. Activation conditions flags. So if you are not in combat, it's removed. But I want to remove it I want to remove it on the event, not here. I wonder if that's gonna work. Shield, enemy health +4, nothing. There it gets added. Good. That makes sense. There, added. Let's add a punch card. There it gets added. Activate. Yes. Yes, it makes much more sense. It gets added and it gets activated. Good. But it always gets added to the first place, really? Maybe not. Maybe that's not the way, you know. Then this, this. This. then this. It makes sense. There, and then that, and then that. Yes, I fixed it. I fixed it. Yep, I freaking fixed the combos. I fixed the freaking combos. Now it makes more sense. 2 cards to the right. Okay, one more thing to fix, you know? Just one thing to fix. I need to change this. I need to place this. UI. Close button. UI. This is my shader, by the way, because the default shader doesn't work. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that amazing? That the default shader doesn't detect depth. That's amazing, isn't it? Sometimes Unity is totally crazy. Totally crazy. So, since I fixed the combos, I can work on making buildings tomorrow. Buildings or something else. 1 card to the right. Enemy shield, self-sleep, no thank you. Okay, 1 card to the right. There. Can I get nice depth? Yes. Now I get depth that works. There we go. Okay, so tomorrow, oh, I need to do this. Oh, I need to do the resources. I want to do the resources. Make the resources. Okay. Create graphics for all cards. Graphics for the resources. That's very important. Oops. And then I want to make the buildings. Oops. Did I forget to place this one correctly? Okay, so this activates the portion immediately. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so tomorrow I work on graphics again.